Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 23rd June from around the world. Why is China praising PM? Rahul Gandhi on Ladakh. Congress Rahul Gandhi, whose surrender Modi dig at the Prime Minister, topped Twitter trends day before yesterday. Yesterday had a tough question. Why is China praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi amid the clash in Ladakh? Since PM Modi's all-party meeting on Friday, where he said China has not captured any Indian territory or crossed the border, Mr. Gandhi has been making repeated jabs at the Prime Minister, accusing him of ceding Indian territory to the Chinese. Yesterday, Mr. Gandhi posted a news report on Chinese mouthpiece Global Times. Praise for the Prime Minister over his comments on Friday's all-party meet. The accompanying tweet read, "China killed our soldiers. China took our land." Then, why China is praising Mr. Modi during his conflict? Citizens' right must be given primacy. Justice Deepak Mishra. Former Chief Justice of India, Justice Deepak Mishra, emphasized on the need to give primacy to fundamental rights of each citizen and called the notion that in India everyone talked of rights but not duties. Justice Mishra was speaking at a webinar on transformative constitutionalism on Monday, jointly organized by the Faculty of Law and the Institute of Leadership and Governance of the MS University of Baroda. Each individual must be given the due recognition and his identity must be adequately credited so that he realizes his freeness and potentiality, said the former Chief Justice of India. 17 inmates test positive at Delhi's Mandoli jail. As many as 17 inmates were tested positive for coronavirus at Delhi's Mandoli jail on Monday. Testing was done following the death of a 62-year-old inmate on Sunday. A total of 29 inmates were tested. With 14,821 new cases, the infection in India rose to over 4.25 lakh. Of the 4,25,282 cases, 1,74,387 are active infections, while 2,37,196 patients have been discharged. The toll stands at 13,699. India-China border. News. India fights two wars against China on border and against coronavirus, says Kejriwal. The corps commanders of the Indian and Chinese armies are holding another round of talks at the Chushul-Moldo border, personal meeting point in eastern Ladakh, to de-escalate the ongoing tension between the two countries due to the Galwan clashes last week. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Monday said the country was fighting two wars against China, one against coronavirus and the other on the border, while maintaining that there should be no politics by anyone in fighting these two wars. Trump to order new H-1B visa curbs by Monday in plan that may hit 240,000. US President Donald Trump's plan to restrict employment-based visas could affect an estimated 240,000 people seeking to work in the US across industries from the technology to finance and hospitality. Trump said in a Fox News interview Saturday that he will announce new restrictions on various work visas Sunday or Monday. The plan won't affect certain workers who are already in the US. There will be very few excursions, Trump said when asked about upcoming rules on several different visa categories, including the H-1B program for high-skilled workers, the L-1 program for managers transferring within their companies, and H-2B visas for non-agricultural temporary workers. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.